OMR GST Road, IT Hub, Lifestyle Zone. This upcoming Brigade project places you in the heart of Vellacheri. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Brigade RapidCon, which is located right here in Vellacheri, Chennai, a project developed by Brigade Group. In this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 5.19 acre of land parcel consisting of 4 towers in all. Currently launching with 2 towers with each tower of 2 basements tilt plus 13 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK, 4 BHK and even duplex premium residencies is available. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located beside Phoenix Market City Mall on New Vellacheri Main Road in Vellacheri, Chennai. Now let me show you the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Western Chennai, Vellacheri in just walking distance from the project, 8 minutes drive to Vellacheri railway station, and OMR is just 15 minutes away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like a grand clubhouse, kids play area, landscape garden, kids play zone with indoor outdoor amenities as well and many more. Now about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and even duplex premium residencies is available, with 3 BHK starting from 2000 and goes up to 2600 square feet. 4 BHK starting from 3200 and goes up to 3500 square feet. And duplex premium residency starting from 4600 and goes up to 6800 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel, the actual site itself. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Brigade RapidCon located right here in Vellacheri, Chennai, a project developed by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.